Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Every Student Zone. In my last video, we have completed all about noun. I hope you have learned all the basic rules of noun. In this video, we will have some revision questions and you have to answer each question honestly. Sorry for my low voice issue in my previous videos. This is the last part of noun and their basic rules. After this, you will be able to evaluate the types of noun. So let's start. Identify the types of noun of the following sentences. Here is the list of some sentences. You have to identify each type of noun in these sentences. Here in every sentence I have made some letters or words bold so that you can clearly understand. First sentence is she is singing a song. Here she and song both represents common noun. Why? Because they are indicating a class, not a particular name of person, place or thing. Next, Vimal is going for tuition classes. Here Vimal is a particular name of a person, so it is a proper noun. Next, Sunil is a clever boy. Here Sunil is a particular name, so it is a proper noun, and boy is representing a class, so it's a common noun. Next, John has to go to school tomorrow. Again, John is a proper noun and school is a common noun. Next, let's go to the movies. Here movies is representing a class, so it's a common noun. We will meet at the restaurant. Restaurant, again common noun. I like to play different sports. Here it is not defined which type of sport, so it's a class, so again it's a common noun. Next, the deck of cards is on the kitchen table. Here the deck of cards is a collection of cards, it means it's a collective noun. Next, the bouquet is in a vase in the middle of the table. Here again, bouquet is a group of flower, or you can say bunch of flower, so it's again collective noun. I saw the family at the mall. Family, there's not a one person in a family, so it's again collective noun. There is a colony of ants living in the tree. Here again collective noun. I live in a small town. Town, I live in a small town. There's no name of the town here, so it is a common noun. The freeway is crowded with cars. Freeway is a class, so it's a common noun. I live in Arizona. Arizona is the name of particular place, so it's a proper noun. The team is wearing red and blue shirts. Team, it is a group of people, so it is clearly indicating a collective noun. The band is marching down the street in the parade. Here band again is a again collective noun. Kali has two sisters. Kali is a name of particular person, so it's a proper noun. Sam came over to my house. Sam, again name, so it's a proper noun. The class is going on a field trip. Class, which standard of our class is not mentioned here, so it's again common noun. Next, the pod of whales is swimming close to the ships. Pod of whales, again it is indicating collective noun. Next, I want to visit California. California is a name of a particular place, so it is a proper noun. Next, I gave Miss Reed an apple. Here apple is a fruit, so it is a particular name of a fruit, so it's a proper noun. This bottle is made of glass. Here glass is a kind of material, so it's a material noun. These books are made of paper. Here paper is a material noun. Calcium is good for health. Again, calcium is a material now. This ring is made of diamond. Again, diamonds is a diamond is a material, so it is a material now. Brass was used in old days. Brass is a material now. The fireman showed bravery during the fire. Here, bravery, this word, which we can't touch, only feel. So what kind of noun this is? It's an abstract noun. Next, my birthday is in March. Birthday is an example of abstract noun. The girls were filled with joy. Here, joy is also an abstract noun. The soldier defended his country, displaying his bravery. Again, bravery represents an abstract noun. Martin Luther King embraced peacefulness. Here, peacefulness is also an example of abstract noun. Mike shares lots of love with his family is an example of an abstract noun. He takes pride in his job. Pride is an example of an abstract noun. The dove is a symbol of peace. Again, peace is also defining an abstract noun. My grandmother is full of wisdom. Here, wisdom shows an abstract noun. In these sentences, let's find spotting errors, each one by one. My sister has read pages after pages of the Bible. Here, pages after pages is not correct because when noun repeats itself, it must be in singular form. So page after page is correct. I went to the temple with my parents, aunts, and cousin sisters. Here you can see cousin sister. It's a colloquial word. We do not write cousin sister. We simply write cousin. Next, the manager put forward a number of criterions for the post. Here, criterions is wrong. Criterion is a singular form and criteria is plural. So a number of criteria for the post is correct. I like the poetries of Byron and Shelley. Here poetries is not correct because it exists in singular form. So I like the poetry of Byron and Shelley is the correct sentence. The beautiful surrounding of the place enchanted me. Here surrounding is wrong. Some word exists in plural form. So the correct sentence is the beautiful surroundings of the place enchanted me. No porter being available, he carried all his luggages himself. Here, luggage will be correct because luggage is singular in form but plural in meaning. Next, the table's legs have been elaborately carved. Here, we do not put apostrophe with non-living things. So the correct statement is the legs of the table have been elaborately carved. Next, the sceneries of Kashmir is very charming. The correct statement will be the scenery of Kashmir is very charming because scenery is an uncountable noun. Next, alms are given to the poor. Here, the poor will be correct because the poor is defining a deprived class. Next, whenever he goes to Mumbai, he stays in 5-star hotels. Here, 5 stars is wrong. So the correct statement is whenever he goes to Mumbai, he stays in 5-star hotels. Next, the company has ordered some new equipments. Here, equipments is wrong because some nouns are exist in plural form. So, equipment. So the correct statement is the company has ordered some new equipment. Next, he was advised to take 2 spoonsful of medicines 3 times a day. Here, spoonsful is wrong spoonfuls is correct. So the correct statement is he was advised to take 2 spoonfuls of medicine 3 times a day. Next, it is a big blunder, but we had to ignore it. Here, big blunder makes this sentence a superfluous sentence. So blunder is enough for this sentence. So the correct sentence is it is a blunder, but we had to ignore it. Next, the police have received 2 important informations. Here again, informations. It is wrong. Information is correct because some nouns are exist in plural form. And also, information is an uncountable noun. The police have received 2 important information is correct. All his sister-in-laws are extremely cooperative and doesn't miss her real sisters at all. Here, sister-in-laws is incorrect because s is added to the main word. Here, sister is the main word, so sisters-in-law is correct. So what is the correct statement? All his sisters-in-law are extremely cooperative and doesn't miss her real sister at all. Next, 2 summons have been issued by the court, but he hasn't yet appeared before the court. Here, summons is a singular form. So, here what is the correct one? Summons says. It's SUMMONSES. So, the correct statement is 2 summonses have been issued by the court, but he hasn't yet appeared before the court. Next, you are among those men who have earned name and fame not by chance but by hard work. Here, man is wrong because here we are indicating man in plural form. So the correct statement is you are among those men who earn name and fame not by chance but by hard work. Next, children are playing and making mischiefs as their holidays have started. Here, mischiefs is wrong because it is an uncountable noun. So, what is the correct statement? Children are playing and making mischief as their holidays have started. Next, sheep are economically useful and so they are reared for wool and meat. Here, plural form of sheep doesn't exist, so sheep is enough. So, sheep is correct. So, what is the correct statement? Sheep are economically useful and so they are reared for wool and meat. Next, I read the letter and made him aware of its content. In this statement, content is wrong. It will be contents because contents describe there is something contained, an article or any speech. Next, I shall not go to party tonight since I have works to complete before I give presentation tomorrow. In this sentence, work is an uncountable noun. So, we do not put s. So, what is the correct statement? I shall not go to party tonight since I have many work to complete before I give presentation tomorrow. Next statement. One must be always true to one's words if one wants to get respect from everyone. Here, true to one's words is wrong. It is a phrase that is true to one's word, not words. So, what is the correct statement? One must be always true to one's word if one wants to get respect from everyone. Next, even after the enactment of several acts and provisions, we can see 5-year-old boys working in hazardous factories. Here, 5-year-old boys is wrong. It will be 5-year-old boys. So what is the correct statement? Even after the enactment of several acts and provisions, we can see 5-year-old boys working in hazardous factories. Next, all the furnitures have been sold for a song as we were in a hurry to leave the town. Here again furniture is an uncountable noun, so we do not put s after it. Next, the fan's blade has broken and we must buy a new fan before disposing it off. Here again, fan is a non-living thing. So what is the correct one? The blade of fan has broken and we must buy a new fan before disposing it of. Next, she wears spectacle and so she was unable to see the gangster that attacked her last night. So here, some nouns exist in plural forms. So spectacle becomes spectacles. So what is the correct statement? She wears spectacles and so she was unable to see the gangsters that attacked her last night. Next, the car could not ascend the steep hill because it was in the wrong gears. Here, wrong gears is not correct. So what is the correct one? It will be wrong gear because only one gear is functional at a time. Next, you should not put your sign on any paper that you haven't read. Here, sign is a verb and we use noun. So what is the noun? It's a signature. So what is the correct statement? You should not put your signature on any paper that you haven't read. Next, the ticket window remained closed throughout the day. Here, window is wrong. It will be counter. So, the ticket counter remained closed throughout the day is the correct statement. Next, I think this is not your book. It is somebody's else. Here, somebody's else is wrong. The apostrophe will be put on else. So, what is the correct statement? I think this is not your book. It is somebody else's. The apostrophe sign will be put after else. Next, towns after towns were conquered by him, but he found no peace. Here, same noun is repeated again. So, in case, this will be treated as a singular noun. So, what is the correct statement? Town after town were conquered by him, but he found no peace. Next, when we reached the fair, we found that there was no place to stand. Here, place is not suitable for this statement. Here we should use room. So what is the correct statement? When we reached the fair, we found that there was no room to stand. Room is simply a space. Next, the committee could not come to a final conclusion. Here, final conclusion makes this sentence a superfluous sentence. So conclusion is enough for this statement. So what is the correct statement? The committee could not come to a final conclusion. Next, my cousin brother is a cheater and he cheats his family members and friends too. So here again, cousin brother is a colloquial word. So we simply write cousin. Next, there should be no furnitures in my room. Here, furniture is an uncountable noun, so we do not write s after it. Next, he told me that it was his friend Shankar's house. Here, what was the rule for this? We do not use 2 times apostrophe in a single sentence. So, what will be the correct statement? He told me that it was his friend Shankar's house. Next, that house is built of stones. Here, stones is an uncountable noun. So, in place of stones, we simply write stone. So, that house is built of stone is the correct statement. Next, all evidences were against him and he was held guilty. Here, evidences again is an uncountable noun. So, we simply write evidence. So, what is the correct statement? All evidence were against him and he was held guilty. So that's all for today. If you have any query about any question in this video, write in the comment section. I will explain it. I hope this is enough for basics of noun. In my next video, we will start pronoun and its types. If this video is helpful to you, like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Thanks.